During the next few minutes, we will explore the properties associated with Canvas text and HTML text. Let's first start with the HTML text block. This type of text is usually associated with an email template. The first box in the HTML text editor properties window is display order. Adjusting the display order will determine the order in which text will appear in the plain text version of this document. Plain text is associated with every email and is available on all email clients. It is the text that will appear on email clients that do not support graphic downloads. When creating an email, you should always review the plain text version associated with the email. Adjusting the display order determines where the text will appear in the plain text version of the email. For example, items with lower display orders will appear at the beginning of the plain text version of the email. While items with greater numbers will appear toward the end of the plain text version of your email. You can also define whether you want the selected text to display in plain text or not using this checkbox. When checked, the text that you type will be displayed in the plain text version. The next row of options relates to entire paragraphs. For example, we can justify the entire paragraph to the left, center justify, right justify, or fully justify the text. If we want to increase the distance between two lines, we want to use the leading box. The larger the number, the greater the space between the two lines of text. The next group of options provides editing capabilities at the character level. We can set each character of a word to a different font, a different style like bold, italic, underline, or even set each one to a different color. Functionality is also provided for you to be able to replicate a particular style you have created throughout an entire document. This is accomplished using the style buttons. The first style button is used to copy the style of the text that you have selected. The second style button enables you to paste the style information to the text that you have selected. Using copy-paste style buttons provides a quick way to set font, size, color, and keep style consistently throughout your entire document. Sometimes you may wish to attach an HTML link to the text that is selected. The HTML link will take the user to the web page that you specify in this field. To attach a link to text, simply select the text that you wish to link from and enter the URL where you wish to direct a click to. The last option is the data merge field. Here's how data merge works. You select the field that you want to be displayed, and when the email or direct mail piece is run, the merge field will be replaced with data found in your marketing database. For example, if I select customer first name, when the email is processed, it will replace the label customer first name with the specific name of the customer whom the email is being delivered. There are a lot of similarities between HTML text that we have just seen and Canvas text. Looking at the Properties window for Canvas text, you will notice that most of the fields available in HTML text are also available with Canvas text. The good news is that they function the same way on the canvas as they do in HTML. Canvas text provides for exact text placement at specific X and Y coordinates on the canvas. With Canvas text, you can adjust the width of the text block as well. Canvas text allows you to associate a shadow with text. By adjusting the number in the shadow box, we can make the shadow appear closer or further away. Opacity or transparency can also be set using Canvas text. Lowering the opacity number to less than 1 allows the background layer to show through our text. It's even possible to rotate Canvas text. Text rotation is accomplished by adjusting the amount in the rotation box, either from negative 180 degrees to 180 degrees. You can navigate the Properties dialog with your mouse or by using the Tab and arrow keys. Let me show you how this is done. Start by clicking in the X coordinate property box. From here, hit the Tab key to go to the Y coordinate property box. Tab again and we are on the Width property box. Once in a property box, we can change the value. In this case, the width, by simply tapping our up arrow to make the width wider, or by hitting the down arrow to make the width narrower. We can go back to the previous fill by selecting the Shift key and then tapping on the Tab key. So remember, it's Tab to go forward and Shift Tab to go backwards. Once inside the paragraph justification button set, we can select the button to the right by hitting the right arrow, or to the left using the left arrow. To select the button that we are on, tap the Enter key. Tabbing into the font menu will allow you to navigate through the entire font list using the arrows as well. Here you can quickly scroll through all available fonts. We hope this short tutorial has provided you with a few helpful tips. Thanks for watching.